Caterpillar D11 Bulldozer is the largest bulldozer of Caterpillar Heavy Machinery Company in the United States. It is mostly used in mining or large-scale land preparation projects. As an OEM manufacturer of mining equipment undercarriage parts, we have the best technology and quality in China, and we own the whole process. We can also provide Cat D11 complete undercarriage parts matching solutions.
Hello everyone, today I will take you to visit our undercarriage parts warehouse. This is one of our warehouse, and you can see have some idler, sprocket, rollers at here, and they are for the mining undercarriage parts, so you can find what you need at here.
Here, the world's most advanced manufacturing equipment and eco-friendly, intelligent production lines ensure help us meet customer needs quickly. In XCMG undercarriage, the entire process from blanking, forging, heat treatment, welding, machining, assembly, and painting. This high level of integration has become the driving force behind intelligent transformation, digital conversion, and interconnection.